Hi everyone, I hope you're having an absolutely amazing day. I just wanted to jump on here really quickly because I've got some super exciting news. We finally finished making a brand new game-changing art material for you, and I think you're going to be excited because this is the one you've been asking for the most. We finally nailed it. A proper rainbow pigment coating kit that means you can coat just about anything with an absolutely gorgeous holographic finish. Yes, even your sneakers, your bikes, your cars, your electric guitars, sculptures, paintings, prints, whatever you like. To make it possible, we had to do an awful lot of work on this one, and we ended up making you a whole kit. Actually, not just the pigment, but 3 different things that mean you can really use this stuff in any way you like. So inside this, we call this Technicolor, and inside you have 3 different things. I'll show you what they are. The first one is this stuff, and it is absolutely gorgeous. This is Prism, and this is the holographic pigment itself. It reflects just about every shade of the rainbow, and it is beautiful, but it would have been absolutely useless to you unless you could apply it to things, which is why we created this for you. We call this Stick. And it essentially does what it says on the bottle. It enables you to stick Prism to just about anything. And we also made you this, a beautiful application wand that you can use to apply it. So you get those 3 things inside the box. I'll do a proper how-to video, which I'll post soon, so keep your eyes out for that. Meanwhile, if you want any help with this, don't be shy to hit the comments below. We'll do our best to answer them, as we always do. Technicolor is available now on the Culture Hustle website. I'll put a link below if you want to get some. And as always, please share what you make with the stuff that we make. Honestly, it makes our life so much worth living when we see what you do. So share your work on Instagram, @CultureHustle. Be sure to follow us so we can all keep in touch. I really hope you enjoy this. Let me know what you think. And as always, I love you so much and thank you for the support. Bye.